So in this video, let us see how to insert the 3D models. Okay. So insert menu, go to 3D models. You have two options, 3D model from this device or stock 3D models. If you have any 3D model on your device, you can upload that, or you can go to stock to check 3D models. So I am going to stock. So in stock, I can see multiple categories of 3D models. Okay. And the categories are diverse, from medical to science to technology to management. Okay, there are multiple categories. Okay, I am choosing this category for illustration purpose. I am choosing this category animated for education. Here, let us choose this globe as our 3D model and click on insert. So it is being inserted. So we can see it is above the text, in front of the text. Okay, I want to align it square of the text. Okay, or let's make it top and bottom of the text. Okay, now it's ready. I'm slightly increasing the size. Okay, so just making equal to this another diagram. Now I want to show this circle in front. Okay, you can see this red and blue arrow movement. I want to show this in front. So I'm doing left click. Okay, and move the cursor. Okay, now my alignment is done. Now you can see a new menu being opened, that is 3D model. Okay, and using this menu we can using these tools we can customize our model, 3D model. Okay, let's see how we can do this. I think some system issue, the system got hanged. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, so you can play or pause from here. Like I have paused it, now I am playing it. Same you can do from here. Okay, play and pause. Okay, since you can change, fine. These are just quick access to the 3D model. Okay, reset 3D model means whatever changes we have done, those will be reset. Okay, let's click on this. That's it. So this has become the previous 3D model, the original one. Now positioning, you can check where you want to position the 3D globe. Okay, and this is at the bottom of the page. Okay, there I want to paste here. Okay, so I have positioned this at the right top of the page. Okay, wrap text we have already seen. Okay, now bring forward and set backwards. What happens now? Suppose I want to set this 3D model behind this image. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply click here. I will click on send to back. Now you can see that the model is, the 3D globe is behind this image. Okay, and bring to front. Okay, this is normal alignment. We can align like top or right, okay, left in this way. Okay, so this is all about how to insert the 3D model and how to customize this. Thank you.